with the Orange Juice blog. It's a local political blog. Okay, let me get far enough away. Whose decision was it for you to take the analysis from the period of 2002 to 2012?
That was my choice, basically. It was the last 10 years. I just picked it arbitrarily.
Okay.
And it was the period of time when there were interesting candidacies by Latinos.
Okay, and no one talked to you from the council or anyone related to it about that choice?
No, that was my choice.
Did you have any concern that 2002 was an outlier?
I had heard that it was in the wake of 9/11, and that some regarded it as an outlier.
No, an outlier in terms of the result of the elections. Two Latinos elected.
Well, I don't know what you mean by an outlier. I mean, it's a situation where two got elected, and somebody said it was because they were firemen.
I guess in terms of the stability of the data, would the data have been substantially different in terms of their result if you had gone only back to 2004, for example?
Well, one could pick selected years and come up with, different results, but I took the continuous 10-year period.
I understand that you looked at the last 6 elections. I'm saying, would the data be substantially different if you took the last 5 elections?
I don't think they would be. Well, it depends on which measure you're looking at. I don't think it would have changed the basic conclusion that Latinos seem to have a good opportunity to place second. That conclusion is wrong.
That brings me to my last question. If you were, in making a decision of how to measure the representation of the district, was there a reason that you looked at simply electing candidates? I guess by which, by that standard, South Carolina is the least racist state right now because they're the only one who have a black senator, right? As opposed to effectuating the will of the population.
Well, the problem here is that if you don't really know whether the Hispanic candidate was in fact the preferred candidate of Hispanic voters. That's a mystery that is only resolved with deep statistical analysis. But if you simply ask the question, are Latino candidates getting elected, presumably by...
So that's the only question that you can answer?
That's the only one that is on the surface of the data.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.